Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 27th of May 2014. And starting off in the 5-minute chart, you can see the pre-market session there fairly quiet, a bit of downside pressure. You see the market trading down towards the 18,200 level. That's the red psychological level there. Finds a bit of support, bounces up, and then there's a triple X, which you then see the market move lower following the signal. However, this signal for me isn't valid, and that's because it's the first bar, the 230 bar, and not after the first 5 minutes, which is this bar here, the 235. But had you have taken this one, you can see that it went on to make a nice profit there. If we just mark this up for you, just to show you. Like I say, this one wasn't valid for me because sometimes you get a full signal at the start of the session, which we've seen on many occasions. But down to the next major psychological level is a 94-point move there. So if you did get this one, then good on you. But for me, it's not valid until after the first 5 minutes, because the market's got to decide what it wants to do there. However, we do get another sell signal just after this, and this is a PTI, and we see the market trading down. This gave around a maximum of 39 points on this trade, as the market's now down 150 points there, and then we see the market going quiet. So had you traded in the first signal or the second one, 39 points there, you really want to think about calling it a day, because the market's likely to go sideways, especially as we see the market waiting for news from the G7 meeting, which is going to take place from today. So the market does go into the quiet time. We get a triple X there. We see that is a losing trade of 16 points, and then we get the market trading down to the 18,000 psychological level, a major level for the market at this price. The market moving back up, we get prices heading back towards the 20-point scalp there, then they reverse, come back and retest the 18,000 psychological level there. Then we get a reversal, and this reversal is not a good idea because we've already got a 200-point drop in the background, and at a major psychological level of 18,000 as well. So then the market does move lower. It stops out this trade there of 16 points on this one as well. But then the market reverses and heads back for 20 points. A dead cat bounce, as it's known in the trade. Price is moving back up as the short traders take their profits, and the shorts closing out means they have to buy, so the buying moves the market back towards the upside before the close of the session. So it's not unusual to see that type of activity at the close of a session. In the daily chart, you can see how the market sold off yesterday. Price is still showing a bit of weakness on the overnight there as well. In the news, and in fact just before we leave this, you can see this is the first real volume we've had as well over the last few weeks, as we see the selling there as well. So in the news, as I've already mentioned, G7 all day today. Any information released will affect the markets accordingly, so very difficult to say when anything will be released, so you just want to keep this in mind if you get any signals or are in a trade that we do have this meeting on. And I suspect this is probably going to go on for a few days as well. And finally, in the implied volatility, 1082 for Friday, and then closed on Monday, so Tuesdays is 1240. So we see this increasing quite sharply there from 1082, which you would as the market moved lower. So maybe we are starting to see the sell-in may go away seasonal pattern coming into play at the moment, as we see the implied volatility backing up the down move there as well. Right, that's it from me for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.